Just as a lion commands respect in the jungle, a true masculine man should inspire respect and admiration through actions which stem from his thoughts. A masculine man's thoughts run deep like the roots of a mighty oak, grounded in his values and principles. He knows who he is and what he stands for, never swayed by the changing winds of external influences. His thoughts are deliberate and calculated, because he understands that rash decisions lead to chaos, while a measured approach brings order and control. In his thoughts, a masculine man carries a sense of responsibility not only for himself but for his family and those under his protection. A real man knows that his actions ripple through the lives of those he cares for. He carries the weight of his family and loved ones. His thoughts are etched with the understanding that his decisions carve the path for others to follow. He knows he is the provider for his family and thinks about all the means to ensure that his loved ones' needs are met. A masculine man's thoughts are centered around protecting and nurturing what he holds dear. A man thinks in a pragmatic and strategic manner, much like the moves on a chessboard. He anticipates the challenges that life may throw his way and plans accordingly. His thoughts are not clouded by emotion but are guided by a clear understanding of the bigger picture. My friends, let us remember that masculinity is about strength of character, honor, and duty. As a man, let your thoughts be your guide, shaping your actions and defining your path. Just as the Spartan warriors of old held their shields high and their spirits unyielding, so must we embrace the thoughts that define real masculinity. A masculine man's mind should be tough as steel, a mind fortified by discipline, forged through trials, and refined by adversity. A real man's thoughts are focused and unswerving. He knows his purpose and never wavers in his pursuit of it. His thoughts are like the flames of a torch that pierce through the darkness, focused on the path forward even when faced with the shadows of doubt. He values loyalty above all else, for he understands the power of brotherhood and unity. Just as the Spartan phalanx moved as one, so does he stand shoulder to shoulder with those he calls his own. Iron sharpens iron. His thoughts are filled with brotherhood, and he would willingly defend his comrades without any hesitation. A masculine man's thoughts are rooted in honor and integrity. He upholds his principles and faces challenges head-on, regardless of the obstacles that may stand before him. His thoughts are a testament to his unwavering commitment to his values, unswayed by the temptations that may arise. In his mind, a masculine man carries the spirit of resilience, much like the unyielding Spartan shield that absorbed the blows of the enemy. He knows that setbacks and failures are but stepping stones on the path to greatness. His thoughts are not clouded by defeat, but fueled by determination to rise again, stronger and more unbreakable than before. My fellow warriors, let these words sink deep into your souls like the roots of ancient oaks. Embrace the essence of what it means to be a masculine man, to think like one. Let your thoughts be a reflection of your unwavering spirit, your unbreakable will, and your unyielding dedication to the principles that define you. Just as Leonidas and his brave 300 fought valiantly against overwhelming odds, so shall we fight the battles that life presents us. Let our thoughts be our guiding light, our shield and our spear. With every thought, let us embody the spirit of true masculine men, fierce, honorable, and resolute. Onward, my brothers, to glory. Whether you're walking through the streets of Detroit or Mumbai in India, remember this. A masculine man's thoughts are his arsenal, his compass. Forge your mind with the wisdom of a war general, the positive thoughts of a monk and the fierceness of a lion. Let your thoughts guide you through the chaos, and you'll emerge not just a man, but as a formidable force of nature. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Let's take it to a whole new level. Show your enthusiasm and support in the comment section, and do not hesitate to subscribe if you're new to the channel. I will be your godfather, your online godfather, the godfather you never had.